Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. I haven't made a video in a while, but I am back. All right, so life pretty much got busy, and honestly, I just haven't felt like making videos, with the weather. And I got a full-time work contract. For those of you who have been following me, last year I was doing an internship, and then I got a full-time work contract now. And so, yeah, things changed in the new year, and I haven't made any videos. So anyways, I am back now, and in this video I'm just gonna give you a rundown or a update on what I have been doing these past 2.5 months, basically since after the Christmas holidays. All right. Am I fasting? Yes. Have I been fasting consistently? No. So a lot has happened since then. I think in my last video, I'm gonna link it to this video. Right. I told you guys I came back to Madrid, and basically I started doing ADF again. And I did like a week and a half of ADF, and I got back to 58 kilograms the week following that. So about mid-January, I had some friends visiting, and that week I only fasted 2 days. And then the following week I was sick, and so I fasted maybe one day. I did a 36-hour fast, and then the rest of the days I did fast, but just not a 36-hour fast. I would fast maybe a 18-hour or 20-hour fast, more or less. And so I've been like going between different fasts since the end of January and into February, because I was trying to like find what would be like my new fasting lifestyle maintenance routine. Obviously, with not fasting consistently and eating the way I eat, because I've been eating the same as I did when I was doing alternate day fasting 3 days a week. And obviously, uh, because of that, I'm going to gain some weight. So I have gained a bit of weight back, but the good news is all this experimenting and back and forth, I've realized that I really do love fasting. Like, I'll never stop fasting, and my body craves a fast after a few days. And so this week, I'm like, I am back to my ADF routine. I will be fitting fasting into my life, okay? So the idea is to do ADF, so 3 fasting days per week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. However, I am going to be flexible. All right, that is important, and that is what I'm going to do. Since fasting is not like I don't no longer have like a time limit to ADF. I've decided I'm just gonna make this my lifestyle. So no time limit. So what does that mean? It means like, for example, next week I have a bachelorette party on the weekend. So it's gonna be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days of activity. Am I gonna say, oh, I can't go on Friday because it's a fast day? No, I'm gonna fast all day, and then I'm gonna go to dinner in the night, go to the events afterwards, and just enjoy my life. So whenever things pop up, I will not be like, oh, it's a fast day. No, I will just fast maybe a part of the day and then just participate. And maybe the following day, instead of just start eating because it's an up day, I will just push that a little bit further. So, for example, yesterday I fasted, all right, and today is Saturday, and I haven't eaten as yet. I'm just gonna eat at lunch because we're going out for lunch. So I'm just gonna wait and eat. So I've realized I just need to be more flexible and open with my fasting lifestyle in order to make it work for me, and so I can not just lose the weight but maintain the weight. Obviously, I want to point out that if you are in your weight loss phase, you do want to be strict during that time. I was strict during that time and I was able to lose 10 kilograms in 4 months. Okay, since then I have gone up. My current weight is 60.8 kgs this morning, and I'll leave a photo of what I'm looking like more or less here so you can see. The idea has always been to be in the 120s, so I am 2-3 kgs away from that. But I am in no rush to get back down to that weight. I feel like my body has definitely changed. I will try to leave photos of like 60 kg now versus 60 kg last year. My body has definitely changed. I have seen like body recomposition as I have been going to the gym, lifting weights, and all of that. So I do feel pretty good, and the new clothes that I bought, they still fit me quite well. So I know like I'm not like as big as I was, even though my weight is higher on the scale, like in terms of my measurements, they're still low. Obviously, not as low as when I was in the 120s, but not as much as it was before. In October, for example, when I compare being at the same weight. I hope that is clear. Anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and to give you guys that update and basically to take you along into this maintenance phase. Well, not really maintenance, I still want to lose weight, but really into making fasting a lifestyle. So making it a lifestyle and what that looks like, making fasting a lifestyle and just like being super flexible. And I mean, I must say, like, one of the reasons why I stopped fasting constantly back in January is because I was like experiencing a lot of hunger when I tried to fast, and I realized I just couldn't complete a 36-hour fast for some reason. It was just so difficult, and I realized it was a matter of mindset. Fasting is all about the mind. It's more about your mind than the actual hunger. Your mind will dictate, like, how your body feels. Because for some reason, in the month of January, after doing a week and a half of ADF consistently, I just couldn't do more than two fasts per week without feeling really bad on my fast days. And yeah, so just so you know, if you're struggling in your fast, it could be that your mind is not in the same place. Because back last year I was in weight loss mode. I was like committed, I was highly motivated and all of that. Now coming back after the holidays, I was more relaxed. I wasn't feeling like I need to be so strict and all of that. And obviously that has its drawbacks as well. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. I just came on here to tell you guys that I am back, and I will be sharing this part of my journey with you all. So if you are interested in following along, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know, how have you been doing after the Christmas holidays? Have you struggled to get back into your routine, or are you now trying to lose weight for the summer? Because let's face it, we all want to fit in a nice bikini or swimsuit in the next 3 months or so. So it's time to get serious again and make fasting a lifestyle and achieve our weight loss and health goals. Anyways, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.